Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be telling you that how you can create a voting poll in less than a minute. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your browser and type there strawpoll.com. Click enter and go to create a poll. Here you have to put the title of your poll. I'll just type that what do you watch on YouTube. And here you have to select the voting type. I'll select multiple choice and here you have to put the options. So I'll put videos, shorts, and I'll take both. Okay, so now you can add another option from here, and here are multiple options for voting restrictions. I'll select to one vote per IP address, and you can also make a multiple choice poll. So I'll click create a poll. Here are some other options. And yeah, you can see that our poll is now created, and you can sign in to get the admin rights permanently. And here let's vote now. Oh sorry, I'll select my option both here and click vote. So our vote has been recorded, and I'll press here show results, and you can see that it's showing us live results. And now just to check, I'll go to another tab and I'll just copy this link and paste it on another tab. And now if I try to vote, it will say us that we have already voted. And yeah, you can see that. So guys, I hope that the video must have been helpful. If yes, click the like button and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Bye bye.